I just had my 71st birthday. And when people find that out, they want to know, how do you look like that at 71? What do you do for that skin? Well, the first thing I have to do is thank my mother for amazing genes. But the second thing is, I'm going to show you what I do. This is how it starts. Not so clean in the morning, but I have scrubbed it already. I know I'm not supposed to scrub every morning, but that's what I do. And this then is how I finish it up. I use the Lancome. I like the FSCO. Take off the whatever's left over from last night because I don't wash it at night, which is also not right. But I got to take that off. I like this one because it's not oily. So that's the end of that. Then I use a toner from Revive. That goes on. Clearly I have no eyebrows. Plucked them off when I was 16, a while ago. Then I love serums. So again, Lancome, because I like their product. A little bit under the eyes. Just sort of smear it around a little bit. Then this is their serum for their face. Some of that. This is literally how long it takes me. I take no more time than this, because I just want to go out and play. Then it's a little bit of under eye because I'm 71. Just a little bit. This is from Sisley. A little bit of sponge. Always damp a little bit. Some Hourglass highlighting powder. I don't wear makeup every day. If I'm putting makeup on, you're a special person. This is literally what happens. It's kind of embarrassing. A little bit. Then eyebrows. Again, Hourglass. They have the right color because it's silver. I don't like all that yellowy blonde stuff. So this goes on because otherwise I have no eyebrows. And without eyebrows, you cannot shape your eyes. So it just goes on. And I wish I had eyebrows, but I don't. So if you're 16, don't pluck them. Just saying. I know this is boring. Got a little messy on that one. A little bit of Chanel mascara. I like navy blue because it's not quite as hard as black, but at night I will wear black. Just a little bit out here. Again, I have to thank my mother for her eyelashes. She shared very nicely with me. And then a little bit of Hourglass. It's the inner wet line. And also in navy, they call it ocean floor, I think. Just a little bit on the outside here. Because if you do it onto the outside of your eyes, it opens up your eye. And we all want to have open eyes. See? Open eyes. And then the most important thing that I do, sunblock. Everybody should be wearing sunblock. This is from Revive, which I love. It's thin. You don't feel like you're all coated in stuff. Sometimes it puts a little too much shine on my face, so then I will go back and I will add powder on top. And then on your neck, don't ever forget your neck. And if I had a V-neck shirt on, it would be going down into my chest. A little bit shiny. I think I'm going to add a little bit more powder. And we have not sped this up, so this is literally how long it takes me to get out the door. take some of that shine off, and I'm out the door.